I wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I reach up to hold your sunlit face. Feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Oh, I hope this feels.
Well, hello people. Here we are with the first build of the Nissan. I've already done a bit of building. Show you what I've already done. Otherwise it's boring watching someone, you know, timber it all together. As you know, the Lemonex sort of stuff, and then put a carpet on it. It didn't have the full rolls, so I had to just divide it, but you won't see it anyway once I got the trays and all that in. This side here, as you see here, got the blocks in here, which this comes over it. Right, what I've used is where the batteries come in, right, so it's pretty alright like that. So I'll make a bracket here and a bracket which comes on here then, right, on that, and tie downs that have good support in there. I'll paint them black probably, yeah. So this is the first build so far with it, right. Show you this, the EnterDrive, the Medic, right. This goes through Wi-Fi the whole lot. Yeah, just got to program it in, and then you've got your DC to DC charger. Right, I've got the back light, which is there already connected. Right, and what was the other one? There was another one. That was just a rubbish truck. Whoa, what a noise. Right, so you got a cigarette plug and 2 USBs. Yeah, I'll keep on toddling along and keep you all informed how I'm going with it. Yeah, it's nothing more, just doing what I have to do, otherwise it'd be boring watching this movie, me working together. I'll just show you through parts what I'm doing. So as you see, the batteries, they're 120 amp hours each, so it's giving me 240. I've got 190 on the roof, solar panel, and yeah, let's connect it all and get it all going, put the fridge in. And good day again, you guys. Back to Ed and Shazz Adventures. Show you what I've done so far on the Canopy built. Right, so the fridge gone in. Got a fridge from King's, the EnterDrive Medic. As I was saying before I got interrupted by that Mr. Whippy the ice cream man with his jingle jangle. Right, we've got the EnterDrive Medic. Well, it's still not working properly. I've got to pull the fridge out and have a look at this because it's charging the batteries, but it's not showing here that's fully charged. Right, got the King's fridge. Right, this is the 85 litre, I think it is. So we've got the XTM trays. So, yeah, pull out for your first table and pull it out for the second table. go out to your second table. So gives me better for length to come out. Alrighty-o. That back. They use two trimmers for it, don't they? And tray up here for want to put another fridge or anything like that. You don't really know what you're going to do with it, or put the cooking plate or a barbie in there. I can transfer a barbie or a bit more too. Pull it out. Right. Then we got the pantry. As you can see. Little shelf a bit, it's been carpeted. Toilet paper for good luck. Yeah, definitely need it. Had to buy it on the way to work. Right, so that's the canopy from that side at the moment. Right, doesn't look too bad. I should actually clean the fridge a bit better. Right, on this side I've got two boxes. I've pulled one to bits, as you can see here. So you pull them all to bits, you get them like this, you undo these screws here, you pull your drawer out, end up looking like this, top here, right, that's the drawer I pulled out, rightio, and then I'm just going to bolt it down to the boards, if you can see here. See, I've got boards all under here, wooden planks. So I bolted to that, and that should be really tight. So I'm going to bolt that in. And as we're up here, got a safety ladder. Let's get up here. Right, there's my King's batteries, which I put in. So I've got 240 amp hours, and another little switchboard for the. So what I'm going to do is put in the corner there the air reel with the air compressor, which gonna come from here. In the back there we've got the 1500 King's power inverter. Right, gonna connect that up later on to the battery. Got the buzz bar, the whole bloody lot there, and got a couple of other things that I just got to keep putting in. Rightio. Alright, so what I've done is showed you how to pull them to bits and put them in like this. I've bolted them down, as you can see, washers and all of that. That one I need to tighten a bit more. I put bolts through here, haven't tightened them yet, up here, and got another one here, right there. So they're all locked in, so if one falls they all go. Well, yeah, now we'll going to put the drawers in. We've got these stoppers, we've got a mount them there, right on there. So we've got to do that while the drawer's in, and I'll mount them up from the inside, just on that, one of them, and a nylon nut through these two holes here, fold it up, then when you pull it out you can't slide out anymore. Right, go to the next step. Right, now I've got the drawer stoppers on, as you can see, and they're the other little mongrels. Tell you what, they were a pain in the ass to put on. Whew! You need small freaking fingers or freaking hands for that. Rightio. I'll put the next one together and then I'll put the top on both, and it should be right. Oh, so that's the installing of the King's trays. 700 by 500, and that's them in there. Whoopie do, and it all works. Might have a bit of storage space up top here. Still move a bit because of the sidewalks, but yeah. So I can put my chairs up there. You got your tie downs. Oh, it's pretty good. Right. Now I've got a bit of a space here, so I can make a little box here for my phones, my GoPros and all that sort of stuff. I can charge them here. So I can make a little box here and just an in and out slide one. And I'm going to put the compressor here, fishing rods up there, right? And I've got a bit of a space in the back there. Don't know what I'm going to do with that. I can always put something down there that I don't use, of course. Rightio. Good morning and welcome back again for the next day. Right, I'll tell you guys what I'm doing. I'm putting the inverter on. Putting the inverter through the EnterDrive. Connecting the wires also up to this switch here, right, which is going to give me power in this one here, so I can charge my all my media stuff like GoPros, phones and all sorts of stuff. So I'll connect it there, but because I'm connecting it straight there and not onto the battery, as you probably see here, oh no, it's a bit dark, right? Right, as I was saying, it's a bit dark here, but as you can see, I've got the minus, which is this one here, which goes to the inverter, right? I've connected that little King's box up down there, rightio, so I can switch onto this plug here, give that power over there, but everything will go through the EnterDrive. So the EnterDrive knows what my battery then is going to take out. So if I go straight to the battery anyway like that, this thing here, this unit's going to lie to me. So do it that way, connect it up with one of these. Right, gone a bit overboard with fuses, of course, but it's a thick cable, so I'm going with the cable rating. Right, that's going to go straight to my plus on the battery, that's going to the negative, right, and then I'll put the floodlight in and back to rebuilding and putting everything back again. Right, yeah, we'll leave this till I connect it all up and then we'll go through it again. Hey guys, I'll just tell you another thing. Reversing these King fridges doors, so from one side to the other, right, I've been caught, right, telling you guys this so you don't get caught. Now this one here, as you see how they're going to with it, right hand side, right. Now that one comes from the bottom here, goes to the top there. Don't forget to pull off the little rubber, right, goes back onto that one, right, and then you screw it in, and that one on the top. Now if you see, they're on a different angle, right, that's where I got caught. So if you put it in that way, it's not going to line up with, oh, it will line up with your nuts and bolts, right? But your door will be off. And I got done like that, so I thought I'd give you guys a bit of a hint about that. Now, I've put everything together at the present moment. It's back on again. It all works, right? The inverter works the whole lot. That's why I'm doing the fridge at the moment. That can go back in. Then the other tray can go back in. I can work on that just with having everything in. Just got to get two more lugs put in. This part also works from the switches. I've tested it on the light, and yep, I'll put the rest in. Then yeah, it's a nightmare, isn't it? Pulling it in, pulling it out, pulling in, pulling out. Well, you've got to learn somehow, don't you? All right, so right, that's the Ed and Shazz new logo on the new Navara Warrior, and we still keep the old cartoon character that we got. It still stays on YouTube. Now and then you'll see the new one come on with the old one, of course. They will stay together. Cheers. So what I've done here is the air compressor. Can you see it? Air compressor's here, connected, and I put the swivel in, pull out 10 meters, and they'll go around the car and also all the way around to the Caravan. So that stops me from taking this around and getting it dirty all the time and get your hands dirty. So it's just switched her on, bang, Bob's your uncle. I've connected it through here, you see, all the way along up the top, right into this box here, right. So I can turn the box on from the other side, like this control box, right, and will give me loading bays for, charging bays, sorry, for GoPros and all this sort of stuff. So still here, I'm still going to make a bench, so I can put them all up and all this sort of stuff. And the rest of this is just space for if I want to put a swag in here or anything like that, camp chairs, and yeah, Bob's your uncle. And I think it's just about all done, the canopy. I'm not going to do anything with the top of this. I'm just going to leave it there. Only the board I've done, and the bottom, lined it, carpeted, a whole lot, and yeah, fill her up and wait for the next adventures. And it ain't long now, because next week I'll be doing a fishing trip. I'll try and get the movie out as quick as I can now, because tomorrow I go back to work. So let's see what we can do. Cheerio. And not cheerio yet. And if you guys like, and please like and subscribe for us, please, and help us out. Yep, we want to try and get at least 500 subscribers this year, so that'd be nice if we can. And thank you for all your support that you've given us so far, and safe traveling, happy trips.